Welcome to an unboxing video. Not the most exciting of things, but here we have the Canon EOS M6. So I've picked this up after mulling it over a while, whether I should get a replacement camera or not. I recently sold my 760D, which was a Canon as well. And you know, it performed not too bad when I could get it to stay in focus. So as you can see there, this is a grey import. So this is the kit version of the M6. It's got a 15 to 45 lens, which retails here for about $1,100 from JB Hi-Fi. So I picked this up off eBay, so it's probably half counterfeit, for about $650. The seller was having something like 20% off, and eBay was also having 20% off, and I thought, it's 40% off. I mean, for that sort of price you could expect to get just the body, but I'm going to get the body and the lens, so it's not too bad. So it's a grey import, so the People's Republic of China only. So inside we've got Chinese writing, some sort of caution, and manual, all in Chinese. That's fine. And then we've got this bit. Let's just a bit further inside. I've got the, gosh, it's been a while since I've used one of these. Power plug, which is there's an insulation, so I won't be using that. Plus it's straight. It's under the impression China used a very similar standard to what Australia uses, just without the insulation. It's slightly longer and thinner pins. So I have, I possibly might have got my 760 as a grey import, now that I think about it. There is what looks to be a lens, so we'll have a look at that. And wow, the camera itself, geez, that is small. What else is in here? Something else in here. Oh yeah, battery, I guess that's kind of important. Oh, is that a camera strap? Yeah, it's a camera strap. Okay, and that empties the box. So I got the old sticker there, which makes me feel confident. This big, this big dent, I have a feeling was the courier who dropped it off. Literally dropped it off onto the floor of his van before fumbling it around. I was watching through the window. I thought, oh boy. Thankfully, it was bubble wrapped a little bit. So bubble wrap and then some crunchy paper. Funny, I've got a GorillaPod stand for this camera, but not for the iPhone. It hasn't come yet. So in here is the body, which we can now see. It's bird food. So we've gone with the look at that. It's quite nice looking. This screen can do some pretty fancy things. Whoa! Oh, that's going to be good for taking videos of like that. Whew, taking photos of console internals. And also flips up somehow, but I'll have a look at that a bit later. Anyway, there's the strap, the battery pack, and the lens. This is all impossible to do with one hand, so I'm just going to assemble the camera.